Hey everyone, it's Valentine's Day. Well, it's coming up anyways, and I wanted to share a really easy and simple DIY with you guys. Today, I will have an upcoming video that will be sharing the little bit of Valentine's decor I decided to do. I didn't do much, but stay tuned for that video. But I was in my local Dollarama and I found this adorable Martha Stewart stamping set. Now it comes with a total of 58 pieces. It has 31 little rubber stamps. It also came with a pink and a red little stamping pad. Those are pretty tiny, but most of the stamps are small. And then it also came with how many gift tags? 24 tags, and then some red and white twine or string, if you want to call it. I've already done my banner, so you see them missing, but there were 3 different colors of tags and shapes. So there was a darker pink, a light pink, and then a white assortment, and then in heart-shaped, oval, and then kind of like a gift tag shape, if you want to call it, was what came in this package. So I decided I wanted to make a cute little banner for my chalkboard area. So that's what I'm sharing with you today. I really love how it came together, and it was quite simple. There wasn't any gluing or anything like that. You didn't even have to really cut anything except for the string. Very simple. So I hope that you will enjoy the video. Let's get right into it. So I'm taking everything out of this package, and I really want to look at all these cute little rubber stamps. Like you can see, there's quite a variety of shapes and sizes, from really small little hearts to the XOs. There's some cute little sayings, and there's some larger hearts. So if you have other projects that you wanted to do, or you do card making, you can certainly use these for that. And I really wanted to kind of get a feel for the stamp itself. It's quite soft and it's quite pliable, and you really could it's quite flexible actually. And then these are my 2 stamp pads, my red and pink ones, and then my assortment of tags in different shapes and colors, and then my red and white string. So I just kind of decided how I wanted to do up my banner. I'm mixing and matching all the colors and the shapes, and I'm just taking my black chalkboard pen and also my red chalkboard pen, and I love these for writing, and I have enough to write out Happy Valentine's Day. And I really like the idea of mixing and matching the black ink with the red and kind of, you know, just giving it not all the same. So now what I'm going to do is actually take my little stamps and just begin to kind of do different, you know, shapes and add different sayings to the various tags that I have, and just kind of, there's really no kind of symmetry. I'm just kind of adding some cute ones like this little cupcake that I think is really adorable, and just doing that to these other tags. So once I have my tags all done, I've let them dry so that the ink isn't wet. I'm going to actually take my string, and it's one long continuous piece. You can cut it up and do 3 different, you know, strands if you want. I'm going to keep it all as one single banner, and what I'm doing is I'm going to thread through the last letter, like in day, and then go backwards, so that when I finish my last letter, it will begin with the, you know, letter H, which would be, you know, for happy. It really is just what you want it to be, but that's how I'm doing this whole banner. I don't want it in 3 separate parts. I just want it as one, so you just have to kind of thread it through backwards, if that makes any sense with the letters and the cute little stamps. And once I have it hung, I'm just kind of spacing how I want the letters to be, and I actually just wrapped the string around my magnetic my magnets that I have here, just like that, and then I just actually cut the extra, and I had still quite a bit left. And because my chalkboard is magnetic, it's really easy to hang things on this, and I absolutely think this banner turned out super cute utilizing gift tags. I really didn't even think about doing this till I saw this stamping kit, and I just thought, why not do something different than a usual banner? And I love the cute little cupcake stamp. I just think this kit is fantastic for $4, and just adding personal touches. I think children would really enjoy doing something like this. And if you wanted to use this and do gift tags instead and give that out to, you know, for Valentine's Day gift for classmates or on a gift, a teacher gift, I think that would be super cute as well. And overall, I think it was really super and easy to put together, and there was hardly anything for time and effort to be involved doing this project, and it really does look cute on my chalkboard area. So stay tuned. I will be sharing some Valentine's Day decor with you, and I can't wait to show you how that has all turned out. So that was my really easy and simple banner for my chalkboard, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below, and stay tuned, as I said in the intro, that I will be sharing the little bit of Valentine's decor that I have decided to do, and it's not going to be too much, but just a little bit of pop of red and pink in my house. I just like to add just a little bit. So that video will be coming up very soon, and I hope that you have enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.